Hey guys, what's up? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and it is my birthday. Today, right now, as I'm filming this, it is my birthday. And I decided earlier in the week that I was going to make an interactive birthday challenge for myself because I didn't know what I wanted to do for my makeup. So I did Twitter picks my makeup. And so you guys who follow me on Twitter, you guys voted in the poll, and this is the results of what you guys voted on. So if you guys want to see everything, just stay tuned. Just keep watching.
It's a bad man thing, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey.
So I am here before you, bare-faced and vulnerable, because we are going to shoot the Twitter Picks My Birthday makeup video. And today is actually my birthday, and I'm actually going out. So if it comes out bad, it comes out bad. Hopefully it won't come out bad. Anyway, we're gonna get right into this look. I might have to pin these two little flaps up. I try to tie up my hair cute for y'all, but I don't think that's working. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm going to prime my face. I'm gonna start off with the Soothing Oil Primer by Nola Skin Essentials. Then I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer and mix it with the ABH Liquid Glow in Peach Fizz. All right, so I'm gonna be looking at them on my phone because I don't know exactly what y'all picked. I don't remember. So let's go. So the first one is which brow product should I use? You guys picked ABH Dip Brow. That's what won. I'm gonna put the little things down here. So I'm gonna go in with ABH Dip Brow in Dark Brown, as well as ABH Waterproof Cream Color in Jet. I use these two together to get the most realistic eyebrows I've ever had in my life. So I'll be using these two today. So after I finish going over doing the like base of the eyebrow with the dark brown, even though this is black, I go over it with Jet and I make brow hairs, very, very slight brow hairs in the front and all throughout the brow. So my brows are carved out. I put down ABH primer, not a lot because this is gonna be like a real low key look. It's not gonna be like popping full of colors. So we didn't need to put a whole lot of primer on there, just enough to get the shadows to, you know, pop a little bit more. So next category is for the palettes. I had a choice between the Norvina Collection Volume 1, the Wet n Wild 40 palette, Pat McGrath 5, which is the Bronze Seduction palette, and then the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts. And you guys chose the Pat McGrath, so here we go. Now, if you guys have watched my Pat McGrath Bronzed Seduction demo and review, you know that I don't like the transition shades. So I'm going to cheat. I'm going to be using a mixture of ABH Brick and Orange Soda. And then also, if I need to go a little bit deeper, I'll have Caramel and Burnt Orange. So these will go down as my base for my transition, and then I'll come into the Pat McGrath palette. So first we're using Orange Soda. I'm gonna put that up on my brow bone to kind of make this a little bit more transition-y. Because that's really technical. I'm gonna try and make it so that you can't see the lines between the concealer and the eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna pick up Caramel and I'll put that on top of the Burnt Orange. I know this is cheating, guys, but you want me to look good, right? Right, so this is what we're gonna do. See? We're just warming it up, that's it. That's all we're doing, we're warming it up. So let's see, for eyeshadow style, you guys had a choice between cut crease, smoky eye, half cut crease, and halo. And you guys chose half cut crease because you know me so well, thank you very much. You know that is my jam. So let's get this popping. I'm gonna start with Entrapment. I'm picking it up on this fluffy brush. And I'm gonna use that in my transition area slash crease. I mean, yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. And the trick to a half cut crease is making sure you have that depth in the crease so that when you cut it, it looks like, wow, pop. Popping out here. I'm picking up Disobedient and I'm going to put that directly into my crease. Right now, I'm just building the layers, okay? I'm gonna get deeper and darker so that we have a nice, wonderful, lovely blend when we cut this crease. I'm going to pick up Extreme Aubergine. We're going to put it in the outer corner and up into the crease directly. So we're going to use this to be our like pop definition color.
you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long.
Alright, so I have it down where I want it, but it's not blended out because that's how I want it to be right now. I'm going to pick up the brush that I was using before, and I'm going to get into Entrapment and Disobedient, and I'm just going to blend Extreme Aubergine out.
Just want to party, in a me yard them a throw the party, in a me place them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a boss inna the place. Who like a bad man, other girls them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me, she a pull up in a place and whine it for me.
Now that I'm finished the preliminary blending, I'm going to use this ABH concealer brush. What brush number is it? Number 18. I'm going to cut it with some of the ABH eyeshadow primer. So I'm picking up this flat shadow brush, and I'm going to go in with Astral Luna Gold right here in the front third of the eye, and then going in with VR Fire Opal in the back third of the eye. Okay, same thing to the other eye. So I just ran a poll on my Twitter, and I asked y'all if I should use glitter, and y'all said yes. For glitter, I am going to be using the Midas Cosmetics glitter in the shade Jelly. Y'all can't see that because it's little. Time for glitter removal. You guys wanted me to wing this line around, which is fine, I guess. I'll do it.
Hey, his body baby, hey, his body baby, Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See,
So for foundation, we had choices between the ABH Luminous, NARS Natural Radiant, Urban Decay Stay Naked, and Pat McGrath Sublime Skin Foundation. You guys chose Pat McGrath, so I actually thought you guys chose Urban Decay. This is looking a little light skin. Okay, so now we're going to concealer. We had the choice between Fenty Pro Filter and NARS Radiant Creamy. You guys chose the Fenty, so I'm going to get that out right now and put it down. I'm going to contour with the only thing that I contour with, which is why it wasn't a category. I'm just going to contour with the ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Earth. Is brown. I did a little bit too much. We'll fix it.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so for setting powder, you guys had to choose from ABH Loose Powder, Milk, Blur and Set, Fenty Pro Filter, and the Pat McGrath, the Fenty one. So we will be using that.
Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long.
Okay, so bronzer, we have the Fenty Sunstalker, ABH Mahogany, or Prime Beauty Brownzer, and you guys chose the Fenty Sunstalker.
See them girls just want to party, see them boys them just want to party.
So I'm gonna spray down my face, put on some blush and some lashes, and then come back. We're gonna finish this whole thing out. We're back. We have on lashes. We finished our lower lash line. We put on blush. I didn't put actual highlighters down because I don't even remember what I had, but we did put highlight flavors, like hues. So we had between golden, bronzy, peachy, or pink or silver, and peachy one. So I'm going to be using the Peach Fizz loose highlighter from ABH to get me beaming for tonight. I feel like we're coming down to it. We're coming down to it, guys. We are coming down to it. Lipstick. So we are going to have a nude lipstick. It's going to be liquid, and then it is going to be glossy. Let's figure out what we're doing here. I think I'm gonna do a brown. So we got chestnut, lip pencil. Okay, we're going in with Unbutton by Fenty. Yes, yes. This is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. This is it. Now I'm going to take Summer Vibes. This is the new ABH lip gloss. Let me put on some hair. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Twitter Picks My Birthday Makeup. This is probably the only edition of Twitter Picks My Birthday Makeup, but Twitter Picks My Makeup in general. is pretty fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get to 1K by Christmas Day. We are almost there. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.